In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up old emails in Outlook fast. If your Outlook inbox has gotten out of control over the years, this walkthrough will help you quickly clear out the clutter while still keeping what matters. We'll focus on simple tools you already have in Outlook, so you don't have to install anything or change any advanced settings. Start by opening Outlook and going to the folder you want to clean up first. For most people, that will be the main inbox, but you can repeat the same process later for sent items, archive, or any custom folders you've created. It's a good idea to start with the folder where you receive the most email, since that's where you'll see the biggest impact. Next, use Outlook's search and sort tools to target older messages. At the top of your mailbox, click into the search bar. You can filter by date to focus only on emails that are, for example, older than 6 months or 1 year. You can also sort the folder by date, with the oldest emails at the top, so you can clearly see what's been sitting there untouched for a long time. Once you're looking at older messages, identify senders and types of email you no longer need, such as newsletters, notifications, or automated alerts. Select a group of these emails together so you can remove them in bulk, rather than deleting messages one by one. If you notice a big block of emails from the same sender, Outlook's From sorting option can help you gather them quickly. Before deleting anything, consider whether it should be archived instead. Archiving moves emails out of your main folder but keeps them available if you need to search for them later. This is useful for messages related to past projects or records you might want for reference, but don't need cluttering your day-to-day view. Drag those messages to your archive folder, or use the archive button if it's available in your toolbar. Now, for messages you're confident you no longer need, use the delete option to move them to deleted items. To actually free up space, remember to empty the deleted items folder after you've reviewed it. Take a quick glance before you permanently remove everything, just in case something important was deleted by accident. Repeat these same steps for other busy folders, like sent items, and aim to do a quick cleanup regularly. With a few minutes of focused work, you'll keep Outlook fast, organized, and much easier to manage going forward.